Do you need an 8-week glutes and legs workout program? See our full article linked below, and it can also be found on our website blog at www.elementsforlife.com.au. Building a sexy bottom in 8 weeks requires a combination of regular exercise, proper nutrition, and enough rest and recovery. Here are a few tips to help you achieve your goal. Incorporate exercises that target the glutes and legs, such as squats, lunges, and deadlifts. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your workout routine. Make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet to support muscle growth. Consume enough calories to support muscle growth, but not so many that you gain weight in other areas. Get enough rest and recovery time between workouts to allow your muscles to repair and grow. Incorporate glute activation exercises to target your glutes and help to tone and shape your bottom. Consider working with a personal trainer or fitness professional who can help you create a personalized workout plan that targets your specific goals. Stick to a consistent routine for 8 weeks and give your body time to adapt and change. Remember, fitness is a journey and it takes time and consistency to see results. Please keep in mind that your body shape and type will play a role in how your body responds to training and nutrition, and that individual results may vary. It's also important to consult your doctor before starting any new exercise or diet program. For more videos like this, visit our Elements for Life YouTube channel and via our website.